Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Begin by parking the 2019 Chrysler Pacifica on level ground and fully engaging the parking brake. Confirm the transmission display reads park. Turn the ignition to OFF, remove the key or press the key fob power-off control so accessories are disabled, and leave the vehicle in a safe, well-lit area. If you will work near the wheels, place wheel chocks at both rear tires and wear gloves to protect your hands. Keep the brake pedal depressed as a precaution while you prepare to access the shift override. To put the Pacifica into neutral, locate the shift lever cover on the center console. The shift override slot sits adjacent to the base of the shifter or under a small plastic cap labeled with a slot. Gently pry off the cap using a flat tool, pen cap, or the trimmed emergency key blade supplied with the key fob. Take care not to scratch the plastic. Insert a small flat screwdriver or the mechanical key straight into the override slot and press down firmly until you feel the internal latch depress, which frees the shifter. With the override tool depressed, keep the brake pedal held and move the shifter from park into neutral N. Do this in a smooth, controlled motion and avoid releasing the override until the shifter is seated in N. Verify the instrument cluster shows neutral and maintain the parking brake if the vehicle will remain stationary, or slowly release the parking brake only when ready to tow or roll the vehicle. If the override does not allow shifting, stop and consult the owner manual, call roadside assistance, or have the vehicle towed to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.